We have faced challenges in the development of new energy business. How to renew the momentum of enterprises while placing emphasis on capacity, cost, and quality. Cost reduction and efficiency improvement have become the only answer to the new energy industry. It's a top brand of high-end intelligent equipment and a leading enterprise in intelligent equipment continuous production. Junga Intelligent Technology is committed to R&D of innovative new energy battery material technology, intelligent equipment and integrated production lines, and providing efficient, low-cost solutions. Junga has advanced anode material technology and corresponding production equipment and production lines to fully meet the technology and production demands in different processes. 1. Equipment cost reduction. Equipment cost reduction is the cost reduction arising from productivity upgrades, which does not affect quality. Adhering to the concept of continuous production and developing core process and equipment, Junga can achieve continuous feeding and discharging, one person, one line, saving labor cost, less steel structure and foundation support, saving investment. The daily production capacity is larger than or equal to 15 tons. The output is large. The power at constant temperature is 40% of the rated power, saving electricity costs. Junga has a significant industry-leading advantage in core technology of continuous granulation coating intelligent equipment. We originated domestic advanced continuous reaction intelligent equipment with electric heating and homogeneous radiation material. The quality maintains consistent compared with the traditional batch vertical reactor. 451 yuan can be saved in granulation cost per ton. After optimization, top density increases by 3%, the same as the vertical reactor. With an annual output of 300,000 tons, about 135 million yuan is saved every year. The market share of Junga continuous granulation intelligent equipment has reached 90%, and it has cooperated with 25 projects, with an annual output of 330,000 tons. There are remarkable results in reducing costs and increasing production. Cost reduction and upgrading also take place in Junga continuous carbonization furnace. The applied materials are more wide-ranged, including but not limited to petroleum coke, needle coke, hard carbon, and soft carbon. The furnace has the advanced advantage of continuous production, and no crucible is needed. Compared with low-temperature rotary kilns, high-temperature roller kilns, and tunnel kilns, the cost reduction rate is above 70%. 2. Integrated production line cost reduction. Go to Junga for continuous production cost reduction. Go to Junga for integrated production line cost reduction. Junga integrated production line is highly integrated solution, covering primary crushing, drying, milling, shaping, granulation, carbonization, and then shaping. The whole process is smooth, and the self-developed central control system realizes that visualization that can be read via mobile app anytime, anywhere. It not only has the advantage of reducing the cost of single equipment, but also reduces the cost of transportation, packaging materials, management, and others. Compared with the traditional production method, Junga integrated production line can save 765 yuan per ton. 3. Graphitizing finished product conveyor line cost reduction. The graphitizing finished product conveyor line is a graphitization back-end process, including feeding, screening, mixing, demagnetization, packaging, and other processes. Junga has EPC General Contracting Certificate. It provides services including scheme design, equipment procurement, project installation and construction, fully reducing costs and increasing efficiency. The graphitizing finished product conveyor line has been applied for many projects, with an annual production capacity of about 460,000 tons. 2023 is a year of united effort and breakthrough. Junga will continue to perfect the process and efficiency, expand the scope of products and services, innovate products, and help partners reduce cost. When cost reduction has become an inevitable trend, go to Junga for cost reduction. Junga, in research of intelligent installation, has passed ISO 9001 14001 and CE certification, obtained more than 120 invention, software, and appearance patents, and got many honorary certifications. Junga, pulling wisdom and breaking stalemate, has provided efficient and comprehensive cost reduction solutions for many leading enterprises in the anode material industry.